Hello, Bhavana. Welcome to the IT Rockstar Show by Trycatch Classes. I'm so glad to take your interview today because I know how much you have practiced and how much you have struggled to reach this stage in your life today. So, welcome, Bhavana, once again.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
So, Bhavna, I have few questions for you. My first question for you is, what were you struggling with before you joined Trycatch, and what kind of problems you had in your life before you joined us?
Yeah, sure, sir. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. I want to tell you, when before joining Trycatch, I was not knowing what I want to do and what will be my goal. So when I joined Trycatch, and then I got to learn so many things. And after learning with Trycatch, I was like, I feel better that I can do something in my life. And after my completed course, and I got the opportunity in React.js, so I can see that where I am right now, and I'm so much happy right now with my career. And thank you so much once again to Trycatch, Hiral ma'am, Mehul sir, and to you who helped me with like they were helping me in every situation when there was a COVID situation also. And that time also, after completing the when there was a COVID situation, and I have learned in COVID. So I was like I don't know how to I was struggling with in some coding and all. So after that also I came to sir, and then he supported me in every situation. I have completed finally my course, and right now I can see that where I am.
That's really inspiring. And can you please tell our audience which course you learned with Trycatch and what is your job role currently?
Yeah, sure. I am right now working in React.js, and I am working with Expound Technivo. I am building right now projects from scratch in Dashboard, and also I have built their website in from scratch in Next.js also.
Wonderful, wonderful. And which course you learned with Trycatch?
I have learned course that is MERN Stack, React.js, Node.js.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, how was your experience with Trycatch and what happened after Trycatch?
It was good experience. Like when I was not joined with Trycatch, I was not knowing anything like what I want to do, and in coding also. And I got so many knowledge, and also there is a very good culture to learn.
Wonderful, wonderful, Bhavna. So, what do you think is the scope for MERN stack or let's say full stack web development?
Right now in market, Munstack is very like so many using right now Munstack. So if I'm talking about React.js, so it is a JavaScript library, and it is very easy to use, and our work is now very easy. So we can use reusable components and all.
Right. So you're saying that the scope is immense in the market,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, what kind of package are you looking to get, let's say, after 6 months? What is your target package?
6.5.
You want 6.5 lakhs.
Yes.
Wonderful, wonderful. And you have how much experience in React?
1 year.
1 year experience.
Yes.
That's great, Bhavna. Any comments about the teaching methodology of Trycatch?
Yeah, sure. Like when I was learning from Hiral ma'am, she was very good in teaching, and always she was helping to us in every doubts and problems. So, and also when we were developing projects, there also she helped us a lot, and Sanju sir. So it was good experience.
Wonderful. So, Bhavna, last question. If somebody is confused whether they should join Trycatch or not, what would you say to them?
I will suggest Trycatch Institute, frankly speaking, because from there my career started. I can see myself where I am. Like this institute, we cannot find in other side because they help us very much. I would suggest everyone should join Trycatch Institute.
Wow, wonderful, Bhavna. Thank you so much for this wonderful interview. And
Thank
I
you, sir.
just wish you all the very best in your career.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Bhavna. Thank you so much for this.